Hello YouTube viewers. Right here I have an Evergo. Usually I see it as a Leslie lock. It's only got two blades on it because one is broken. I have the other two brackets right here. Just running those two blades right now just as a functionality test. Everything seems good, so we're going to start off with it in forward on low. I know it looks weird with only two blades, but not sure if I want to fix the other blade or if I just want to get new blades for it, since it seems like the blades have a bit of a sag to them. So, still pondering about that. There's my Dayton for right now. So that's it on low tooth blades. I'm gonna go ahead and use the control, get to a medium. Guessing somewhere around there. Honestly, with only two blades, this fan moves a lot of air. I can only imagine how it's going to be when I have all four blades. It's medium. Let's go ahead and go to high. Pretty good breeze. Now we're going to slow it down, and we're going to reverse it. That's one of the unique things about this one. I like that you actually have the reverse function. Now reverse seems like it goes a lot slower than forward. Obviously said and showing because it's slowing down. And there might be an issue with the reverse all the way on low power. Get just a little bit more. We can get it going. Here we go. I picked this up off of Craigslist at the Flea World for $10. Everything included except for the J-hook, but that's hard to find. And let's go all the way to high in reverse. Still not as fast as forward once again, but still cool that it has it. And off. Either way, I'm probably gonna actually trace these blades and make new ones all out of wood because they're all in bad. They're not in bad condition, but just they could use just replacements anyhow. And this one I don't want to risk trying to glue because it's right here on the bracket, and I don't know if glue would actually hold it on there or not. So either way, there we go. Lovely lock. Thanks for watching.